Dear soul friends, I welcome you today to this beautiful meditation of self-love. Today, I am going to introduce you to your first love, your best friend. Look into the mirror and see the person who is sitting in front of you in the mirror. Look at the eyes of the person with love. अपने सामने बैठे हुए इंसान को मुस्कान के साथ, प्रेम के साथ उसकी आंखों में देखिए। ये इंसान आपका सबसे पहला मित्र है, आपका सबसे अच्छा साथी है, आपका पहला प्रेम है, जिसे आपने जीवन के रफ्तार भरी सफर में भुला दिया है, पर वो आज भी आपके साथ खड़ा है, हर वक्त बिना किसी शिकायत के। आज हम इसी दोस्त के साथ कुछ पल बिताना चाहते हैं, जिससे हम कई सालों से नहीं मिले। It has been a long time that you spoke to your own inner self. Now, say, I honor you. I love you. I know it's been a long time that I did not meet you. I did not look at you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. जब भी मैंने तुम्हारी तरफ देखा, हमेशा दूसरों का ही ख्याल किया। मैंने हमेशा तुम्हें दूसरों की नजर से ही देखा। But today, when I look at you, I am thinking of only me. It's been a long journey. You and I have seen many ups and downs of life together. कई बार जब मैं बिखर गई, थक गई, निराश हो गई, हार गई, जब सबने मुझे अकेला छोड़ दिया था, तुमने मेरा साथ नहीं छोड़ा था। I thank you. I love you. पर मैं तुम्हें हर बार भूल गई। I am sorry. Please forgive me. I honor you. मैं तुम्हें चाहती हूँ। तुम जैसे हो वैसे ही संपूर्ण हो। You are complete in yourself. मेरी हर सैक्रिफाइस, हर हार, हर दर्द में तुमने मेरा साथ दिया। जब कोई मुझे नहीं समझ पाया, तुमने मेरा साथ दिया, मुझे समझा, मुझे संभाला। आज मैं तुम्हें धन्यवाद करती हूँ। I have not appreciated you for days, months, and ages because I was busy doing my duties, running after material gains, taking care of my responsibilities, and trying to make happy others every time. But I never thought of you. मैंने सोचा सबको खुश रखना मेरा कर्तव्य है। मैं ये पालूं, मैं वो पालूं तो सब ठीक हो जाए। पर इस दौड़ में मैंने कब तुम्हारा हाथ छोड़ दिया पता ही नहीं चला। जब तुम दुखी थे, जब तुम मुझसे बात करना चाहते थे, I ignored and suppressed your voice. I asked you to keep quiet, be strong, never cry, never ask. And you kept quiet. I forgot even you needed my love and attention. Every time you tried to think about yourself, I reminded you of your responsibilities and you simply sacrificed. You also needed some rest, some long sleep, some lazy days. But I made you get up early so that all others in the family can sleep calmly without disturbance. Because you had responsibilities, you ate last. You slept last. You went to the doctor only when things went out of your toleration. You kept giving yourself to your family, friends, parents, but never gave time to yourself. हमेशा तुम सबके लिए त्याग करते रहे। पर खुद की नहीं सोची। I want to thank you today. आज तुमको मैं बताना चाहती हूँ that I love you too. तुम हो तो मैं हूँ। तुम रहोगे तो सब रहेंगे मेरे जीवन में। तुम ही तो हो जो मेरा अक्स हो, मेरी असली पहचान हो। तुमसे ही तो मैं हूँ। मेरे जीवन की सभी रिश्ते तुमसे ही तो हैं। तुम मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हो। You are most important to me. I love you. I respect you. And I accept you. You are very important to me. You are the best version I have ever seen. You are beautiful. You are unique and special. No one can be like you ever. I love you. I thank you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. You don't have to be perfect for anyone. You are imperfectly perfect for me. I accept you as you are. You are the best person. Today, I promise you that from now, every day, I will talk to you, appreciate you, love you, care for you, take care of your health, emotions, and feelings. I love you. I love you. I love you. Feel this beautiful emotion of love and compassion for your own self. Acknowledge your identity. Say, I am enough. I am complete. I am beautiful. I am happy. With your closed eyes, look within you. Thank each and every cell, tissue, organs, systems. Tell them, I love you unconditionally. I thank you. I value you. Thank you for making me strong. Thank you for making me functional. I send infinite unconditional love to myself. I deserve to be loved because I am love. I am eligible to receive all the love. I love myself for what I am. I respect myself. I honor myself. And I thank God for making me what I am. Life is beautiful. The universe is abundant. There is abundance of stars in the sky. There is abundance of oxygen in the air. For me to breathe, there is abundance of water on the earth for me to drink and survive. There is abundance of beauty. There is abundance of love. And I am receiving all the abundance from the universe now. When I accept myself, when I love myself, I invite all the abundances from the universe. I am happy. I am healthy. I am strong. I am beautiful. I am what I am. I give unconditional love to myself.